The Force of Action, Indra Rigveda Mandala 1, Chapter 1. The Force of Action, Indra. The divine warrior who breaks inner resistance. Before there is movement, before there is success, before any thunder strikes or wars are won, there is a choice to act, to rise, to face what stands in your way. That divine momentum, that fire in the soul, that thunder in the veins, is known in the Rigveda as the force of action, Indra. He is not merely the god of war, he is the god of willpower, of decisive movement, of breaking barriers within and without. He does not sit in silence, he rides the storm. He is not peace, but power, not rest, but rise. When your soul trembles before fear, when your mind doubts its purpose, when your path is blocked, it is the force of action, Indra, who roars inside you. The myth of Indra and Vritra, a battle within. In Vedic mythology, Indra is the slayer of Vritra, the serpent of obstruction. Vritra hoarded the waters of the world, the flow of life, the river of potential. Indra, armed with the thunderbolt, Vajra, struck Vritra and released the waters. This is no mere battle between gods. This is you, your fear, your procrastination, your inner Vritra, and your inner Indra, waiting to rise. The seeker's story, caught in inertia. There once was a seeker, brilliant, creative, full of dreams, yet trapped by hesitation. Every day he planned. He visualized. He hoped. But he never moved. He was blocked. Until one night during a storm, a voice boomed through his chest. Enough thinking, enough waiting, strike. It was not anger. It was activation. It was the awakening of the force of action, Indra. The biology of action, Indra as neurochemical power. In modern science, Indra lives in the brain's chemistry. He is the surge of adrenaline before a bold step, the rush of dopamine after facing fear, the ignition of the prefrontal cortex when clarity becomes action. He is the fire in the sympathetic nervous system. Not panic, but purposeful energy. Not anxiety, but aligned aggression. Indra is the shift from thought to movement, from fear to fire, from hesitation to heroic charge. The symbol of the Vajra, lightning of conscious choice. Indra carries the Vajra, the thunderbolt. It is not just a weapon, it is divine resolve. It is the bolt of decision that slices through uncertainty. In you, the Vajra is the moment you say yes. Yes to change, yes to risk, yes to courage. Every time you act with conviction, every time you fight your own doubt, you are holding the Vajra. How to awaken. Indra within, break your resistance early in the day. The first wind sets the tone. Move your body. Indra lives in action through breath, exercise, and motion. Make one hard decision daily. Indra sharpens your will like a blade. Speak your truth. Indra commands thunder because he dares to declare, honor, discipline. Even thunder follows rhythm, so must your energy. Indra is not only invoked through battle, he is invoked through movement with purpose. Indra in meditation, not stillness, but intention. Contrary to myth, Indra is not chaos. His storm is controlled. His rage is righteous. His strike is surgical. Even in silence, Indra is awake. He is the fire behind your mantra, the charge behind your stillness, the boldness behind your breath. Indra reminds you, meditation is not escape. It is preparation for war. Modern parallels. Indra and the warrior ethos in today's world. In the age of screens, hesitation, and passive thought, we need the force of action, Indra more than ever. He is the inner general of focus in a distracted mind, the discipline in a world of indulgence, the roar in a culture of whispers. Indra is the psychological archetype of the leader, the one who rises before others do, who acts when others doubt, who chooses clarity over comfort. The inner Vritra, what blocks you today? Your Vritra may not be a serpent. It may be self-doubt, a toxic habit, an old story, a frozen plan. But Vritra is real. And until you face it, your waters won't flow. Your creativity won't awaken. Your dharma won't rise. And so Indra whispers again, rise, strike, claim your flow. Myth-busting Indra beyond war into wisdom. Myth, Indra is just a violent god. Truth, Indra symbolizes focused power, not destruction, but activation. Myth, anger has no place in spiritual life. Truth, Indra teaches channeled fire, sacred anger aligned with dharma. Myth, waiting for the right time is wisdom. Truth, Indra teaches that sometimes the time becomes right because you move. Quantum metaphysics, Indra as decision in the field. In quantum physics, observation collapses probability into reality. A choice creates a world. An action writes time. Indra is this divine choice. The observer, who strikes the field and brings potential into form. He is not passive light. He is cosmic thunder. He moves not just the skies, but the possibilities of existence. Indra and AI, conscious leadership in the machine age. In a future led by algorithms, automation, and artificial logic, who will hold the Vajra? It must be the Indra mindset. Leaders who act not by fear or force, but by clarity, courage, and cosmic timing. Indra is the spirit of the conscious commander, the digital strategist who stays grounded in Dharma. We must build systems that move, but not blindly. We need thunder with thought. The final transformation, embodying Indra. And so the seeker, once frozen in thought, now walks with pace. His decisions are lightning, his focus unshakable, his fears burned away by the storm within. Indra lives in him now, not as noise, but as power with purpose. And every morning he asks himself, where is my Vritra today? And how shall I move through it? Closing whisper, Indra is not a god outside you. He is your spine when you stand tall, your breath when you speak truth, your step when you finally begin. The force of action, Indra, the slayer of resistance, the bearer of the Vajra, the divine roar that moves the world strike, rise, flow, lead. The force of healing, the Ashvins, Rigveda, Mandala 1, Chapter 1, divine twin healers of the Vedas. 1. The whisper of recovery. There comes a time, in every life, when the pain is too much. The body trembles, the soul dims, hope slips into silence. And just when the darkness begins to settle, a whisper emerges. Not a shout, not a storm, but a swift, golden whisper. A chariot of light, racing through the void. That whisper is the arrival of the force of healing, the Ashvins. They come when you call, and even when you forget to call. They are the twin forces of healing and restoration. The physicians of heaven, the protectors of the weak, the youth givers, the pain lifters, the miracle workers. They do not wait. They ride. The Vedic legacy, who are the Ashvins? In the Rigveda, the Ashvins, also known as Nasatya and Dasra, are praised as twin horsemen of the divine dawn. They ride a chariot faster than the wind, often side by side with Ushas, the force of illumination. They are the doctors of the gods, known for restoring sight, breath, and even youth. No illness is beyond them, no distance too far, no soul too lost. They are not warriors, they are rescuers. They do not bring fire, they bring relief. In the Rigveda, their deeds are legendary. They healed the blind sage Paravarje, they restored Chayavana's youth. They saved Buju from drowning in the cosmic ocean. They made the infertile fertile. They even replaced a severed leg with an iron one for Vishpala. They are not bound by biology. They are the masters of possibility. 3. The Seeker's Pain, a journey through suffering. There was a seeker, not weak but weary. His body was breaking, his heart full of unanswered prayers. Doctors had given their limits. Time had taken its toll. He sat in silence, but deep inside, a voice still flickered. There must be something beyond medicine, beyond logic, beyond despair. And as he whispered this, the Ashvins came, not with needles or pills, but with presence, with a golden chariot and a deeper truth. 4. The inner science, Ashvins and human biology. Modern science now speaks in Vedic rhythm. The force of healing, the Ashvins can be seen in stem cells, the body's miraculous self-repair units. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire after trauma. Epigenetics, where environment rewrites your DNA. Vagus nerve activation, restoring the parasympathetic calm immune intelligence, where healing becomes intuition. Immune intelligence, healing becomes intuition. Ashvins move in mitochondria, whisper in neural pathways, and light up dopaminergic recovery circuits. They are not science fiction. They are biological magic. 5. Healing is not just physical, it's cosmic reconnection. The Ashvins don't just heal the body, they heal the disconnection between soul and body, between belief and biology, between despair and destiny. They ride in dreams, in rituals, in sunrises, in silences. They are invoked not only by prayer, but by surrender. When the ego falls away and the heart whispers, "I'm ready to heal," the Ashvins arrive. 6. The symbolism of twins, dual healing forces. Why twins? Because true healing is never one-sided. There is always a duality in the healing journey. Acceptance and action rest, and motion science and spirit masculine and feminine faith and medicine. The Ashvins ride together because they represent the balance of healing. One touches the wound, the other revives the will. One soothes the pain, the other restores the purpose. 7. Rituals to awaken the Ashvins in daily life. To awaken the force of healing, the Ashvins align your life with their rhythm. Rise before sunrise. They arrive with ushas at dawn. Perform self-healing rituals, breathwork, warm oil massage, sunlight gazing. Eat sattvic, pure food. Nourishment is the first medicine. Practice compassion. The Ashvins bless the hands that serve. Chant Vedic hymns. Their energy rides on sound, especially Ashvinau yuvam suhava nasatya ratham aruhatam ashuhemam. O divine Ashvins, climb aboard your golden chariot of swift healing. 8. The seeker's breakthrough, the real medicine. The seeker stopped waiting. He began listening. He let go of his tight grip on logic and embraced trust. He walked at dawn. He sang mantras from the Rigveda. He served others. He cried. He danced. He softened. And slowly, healing began. Not just in the body, but in the breath, in the gaze, in the trust that life was still possible. He didn't just heal. He was healed by the force of the Ashvins. 9. Myth-busting the Ashvins, beyond folklore. Myth. The Ashvins are just mythological doctors. Truth. They represent the biological, energetic, and cosmic healing codes embedded in nature. Myth. Healing is passive. Truth. The Ashvins